These CZHQSMZ glass flour and sugar containers offer a generous 1-gallon capacity, making them ideal for storing bulk pantry staples like flour, sugar, cereal, or pasta without constant refilling. The containers are made from thick borosilicate glass that is free of harmful chemicals and can handle both hot and cold temperatures, so they feel sturdy yet practical for everyday kitchen use. Their natural wooden lids include a snug silicone gasket that creates a tight seal, helping to keep ingredients dry, fresh, and protected from pantry pests or lingering odors. Because the glass bodies are smooth and dishwasher safe, once the lids are removed, cleaning and maintaining these jars is straightforward, even when storing stickier ingredients like brown sugar or candy. The set comes with a very large assortment of preprinted waterproof labels, which makes organizing and quickly identifying different flours, sugars, grains, and snacks much easier on a busy cooking day. With their tall, clear design and warm bamboo lids, these jars look attractive on open shelves or countertops, while also making it simple to see when supplies are running low.